Hey everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Today I'm going to do something fun. Just a little, I don't know if you want to call it a challenge or just an experiment, I guess, to see. I'm going to do two different flip cups, but I'm going to do one with a straight layered pour, and then I'm going to do another dirty pour. But they're both going to be flip cups, just to kind of see which one's going to give me more cells than the other, or maybe they'll both give me the same amount. We'll see. Just kind of see what the difference in the end result is between layering it and then just dumping it on in there. I'm using two 12 by 24 inch Artist Loft canvas. The colors that I'm going to use, and I'm using the same colors on both. I'm using Artist Loft's Flow White. I am using SoHo's Dioxazine Violet Hue. Decoart's Metallic 24 Karat Gold. SoHo's Rose Madder. SoHo's Prussian Blue. And Decoart's Dazzling Metallic Pearl Peacock. So I'm just going to, do, hopefully I can do them both at the same time as I'm pouring them, because I want to have basically like the same lineup, I guess you want to say. But just one doing more layers and then one doing just the dirty pour. So I'm going to start with the Dioxazine Violet Hue. Hopefully I'll just remember which one I'm doing on which one when I'm doing it when I get going here. I do thank everybody for joining me today. Hopefully you'll enjoy this little fun series that I think I'm going to do. Just kind of do some comparisons. I think that would be kind of fun, just to kind of see which one will give us more of the result that we would like. If you have anything that you would like to have compared, please leave a comment. I even had paper towels down and I still did that. Of what you like to see, what you would like to see. I can't even talk. Hope you will enjoy it, and like and subscribe and comment. I appreciate all of the support you guys give me for all my videos. I'm slowly getting to 1,000 subscribers, so I appreciate you guys so much. You guys always have such nice things to say, and I just appreciate your support. down for the close-up. So we'll look at the layered flip cup first. But just look at that gold cells, how it just took over. It's crazy. But that is so cool with the red in between there. It's like that rose madder just like is all in between all these cells here. It's beautiful. I like how it has this little band right here. It's kind of cool, separating it. And this one's probably my favorite of the two. It's really cool. But it's crazy because I really thought, just looking at the cup, I really thought there was going to be a lot more gold in this one, more so than that one. But it's kind of cool how it just comes out this way. Very cool. Look at how pretty that is. All these crazy colored cells. It's crazy cool. And this, beautiful. Look at that. It's like the rose madder is kind of pinkish, and then the pearl peacock on there. Just beautiful. That's even kind of cool where I had to get that goob out. Look what it did. But you guys will have to tell me what you think. So we did the layered flip cup. Straight, I don't know, not a straight cup. Layered flip cup. And a dirty flip cup. So you have to tell me which one you like the best. I think they are both pretty cool, but my vote is the dirty pour. But this is a lot of gold. But I do thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this fun little challenge or experiment, I guess you want to say. And I hope you enjoyed it, and you will like and comment and share and all that fun jazz. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when my next video comes up. I normally put out videos on Sundays and Wednesdays, and then some random ones here and there. I've been having a lot of fun with some resin art, so I've been kind of throwing those in here and there. Yeah, but I do appreciate you guys so much for watching. I appreciate your support and your kind words and helping me work my way to 1,000 subscribers. I just can't wait to get there. I'm getting so close. And I do appreciate you guys. Hope everybody is healthy and safe, and have a good evening. Have a good day. And keep being creative. Bye.